Does your engine sound like it has marbles rattling inside it when you accelerate? That terrifying noise might be exactly what triggered your check engine light today. If your scanner shows a P032A trouble code, it means your engine computer is seeing an unexpected reading from NOx sensor number 3 on bank 1. Bank 1 is simply the side of the engine block that houses cylinder number 1. NOx sensors are essentially tiny microphones threaded directly into the engine block, sometimes right into the coolant passages. They use a special crystal that creates a small electrical voltage when it is shaken by engine vibrations. The computer constantly listens to this voltage. If it hears a minor ping or spark knock, it will adjust the ignition timing to protect the engine. But if it hears a loud, severe noise like internal metal on metal contact, it sets this severe code. Symptoms are usually very noticeable. You will experience hesitation when you press the gas pedal, a noticeable lack of power, poor fuel economy, and likely some abnormal metallic noises coming directly from the engine area. So what sets this off? The most common culprits are a faulty NOx sensor, damaged wiring connecting the sensor to the computer, using low-quality or contaminated gasoline, or an actual internal engine mechanical failure causing a real knock. Since these sensors are bolted to the lower part of the engine block, their fragile wires often get broken by accident during other repairs like starter motor replacements. Diagnosing this starts with a visual check of the wiring harness for any melted or broken sections. If the wiring is intact, you use a digital multimeter to check the live voltage data coming from the sensor connector while the engine runs. If the voltage is out of spec, the sensor needs to be replaced. Be extremely careful here, because these sensors often plug coolant passages. Removing them while the engine is hot will cause scalding hot pressurized coolant to spray out. Always let the engine cool down completely first. If you hear a loud mechanical knocking sound, or if you are not experienced with electrical testing and draining engine coolant, stop right there and get your vehicle to a professional mechanic immediately. Driving with severe engine knock can destroy your motor in a matter of miles. Catch it early, get it fixed, and keep your ride on the road.